Hey everybody, we are back. Oh, back to my favorite campground. Man, I got here as soon as the gates opened and I'm still not the first one here. Yeah, it's always the fall race. Here she is, haven't started on the outside yet. Got everything all hooked up, leveled. And man, took every block of wood I own to level this thing on this particular site. But we're good now. Here we are. Let's do a St. Louis Scott Cribs edition. Let's take a look inside. Pretty much all set up. Slides out. Satellite up and going. Did a little bit of cleaning. Golf club storage, all set. Roger, I'm going to use those and I'm going to kick your ass next week. On to the back. Shower, yeah, I use that occasionally. The master bath. Gets the job done. And the bedroom with washer dryer, king size bed, dual AC, gotta love it. This is a Forest River FR3 30DS 2021.5 edition. JBL for the tunes. Coors Light. We are ready. Steaks and burgers. Here for the next 10 days. Dega, baby!